Meow. Lesson 31. Professor Whiskers, here with a very practical lesson. You have learned grammar, present simple et present continuous. Now let us use that grammar in real situations. Shopping. Buying things. Paying for things. How much is this? I want to buy that. Do you have this in blue? Can I pay with a card? Where do I pay? These are conversations you need when you shop. At stores. At markets. Online. Anywhere. Today we learn shopping vocabulary and conversations. By the end of this lesson, you can shop in English, ask about prices, choose what you want, pay for your items. Let us learn to shop. First, basic shopping words you need to know. Key shopping words: store or shop. Place where you buy things. Customer. You, the person buying, salesperson. Or clerk, the person selling, who works in the store. Price. How much something costs. The amount of money. Cost. How much you pay. Same as price. Buy. To purchase something. To get something with money. Pay. To give money. To complete the purchase. Receipt. Paper showing what you bought. Proof of purchase. Change. Money returned when you pay too much. Cash. Physical money. Bills and coins. Card. Credit card or debit card. Quick example sentences. I'm going to the store. The salesperson is helping me. What is the price? How much does it cost? I want to buy this. I will pay with cash. Can I have a receipt? Here is your change. Cats do not shop. We do not use money. But I understand the concept. Humans love shopping. The most important question when shopping: how much? Ways to ask about price. How much is this? The most common question: how much does this cost? Same meaning. How much are these? For multiple items, what is the price? Direct question. How much for this? Quick informal way. Practice asking. Customer. How much is this shirt? Salesperson. It is $30. Customer. How much are these shoes? Salesperson. They are $80. Customer. How much does this cost? Salesperson. It costs $25. Customer. What is the price of this? Salesperson. The price is $15. Understanding price answers. It is $20. They are $50. It costs $35. The price is $45. That $60. That will be $75. More than one item. How much is this? It is $10. How much are these? They are $20. For two or more. Now let us learn how to say what you want to buy. Ways to express interest. I want this. Simple and direct. I would like this. More polite. I would like this. Decided. Ready to buy. Can I have this? Asking politely. I am looking for a shirt. Searching for something specific. Do you have this in blue? Asking about options. At the store. Customer. I want to buy this phone. Salesperson. Sure, it is $500. Customer. I would like this bag, please. Salesperson. Good choice. It is $75. Customer. I will take these shoes. Salesperson. Great. They are $90. Asking about availability. Do you have this? Is it available? Do you have this in red? Different color. Do you have this in medium? Different size. Do you have more? Additional quantity. Is this available? Is it in stock? Practice dialogue. Customer. Do you have this shirt in blue? Salesperson. Let me check. Yes, we have it in blue. Customer, great. I will take it. Customer, do you have this in size small? Salesperson, sorry, we only have medium and large. Customer, okay, I will take the medium. Important vocabulary for shopping for clothes or items. Sizes, small, or size S, medium, or size M, large, or size L, extra large, or 40, extra small, or XS, numbers for sizes. Size 6, size 8, size 10, for shoes and clothes. Asking about sizes. What size is this? It is medium. Do you have this in large? Yes, here you are. I need a size 9. For shoes, this is too small. Do you have a bigger size? This is too big. Do you have a smaller size? Colors review. From Lesson 15. Red, blue, green, yellow, black, white, brown, orange, pink, purple. Do you have this in black? Color option. I want the blue one. Choosing by color. Can I see this in red? Asking to look. Practice. Customer, do you have this in green? Salesperson, yes, we have green. Customer, and do you have it in large? Salesperson, let me check. Yes, large in green. Customer, perfect. I will take it. Conversations when you are deciding what to buy. Trying items. Can I try this on? For clothes. Asking to test. Where is the fitting room? Place to try clothes. Can I see that? Asking to look at something. Can I hold this? Asking to touch or examine. Comparing options. Which one is cheaper? Asking about lower price. Which is better? Asking for recommendation. What is the difference? Asking about variations. I like this one better. Making a choice. Not sure. I am just looking. Not ready to buy. Browsing only. I need to think about it. Not decided yet. Can I come back later? Want to consider more. Let me look around. Want to see other options. Practice deciding. Customer, can I try this on? Salesperson, of course. The fitting room is over there. Customer, thank you. Later. Customer, which one is cheaper? This one or that one? Salesperson, this one is $40. That one is $50. Customer, okay, I will take this one. Now the most important part. Paying. Completing the purchase. Starting the payment. I am ready to pay. You are finished shopping. Where do I pay? Asking for the cashier. Can I pay here? Confirming location. I would like to pay now. Ready to complete. Payment methods. I will pay with cash. Physical money. I will pay by card. Credit or debit card. Can I pay with a card? Asking if cards accepted. Do you take credit cards? Same question. Cash only? Asking if cash required. At the register. Salesperson. That will be $75. Customer. Here you go. Giving payment. Salesperson. Thank you. Here is your receipt. Customer. Thank you. Getting change. Salesperson. That is $50. Your change is $20. Customer. Thank you. Card payment. Customer. Can I pay with a card? Salesperson. Yes. Please insert your card. Customer. Okay. Salesperson. Please enter your PIN. Customer. Done. Salesperson. Thank you. Here is your receipt. Practice. Complete transaction. Customer. I would like to buy this. Salesperson. Sure. That is $45. Customer. Can I pay with a card? Salesperson. Yes, of course. Customer. Here you are. Salesperson. Thank you. Here is your receipt. Customer. Thanks. Have a good day. Salesperson. You too. Let us practice complete shopping conversations from start to finish. Dialogue 1. Buying a shirt. Salesperson. Hello, can I help you? Customer. Yes, I'm looking for a shirt. Salesperson. What color? Customer. Do you have anything in blue? Salesperson. Yes. How about this one? Customer. I like it. How much is it? Salesperson. It is $35. Customer. Okay. Do you have it in medium? Salesperson. Let me check. Yes, here you are. Customer. Can I try it on? Salesperson. Of course. The fitting room is over there. Customer returns. Customer. Perfect. I will take it. Salesperson. Great. Come to the register. At the register. Salesperson. That is $35. Customer. I will pay with cash. Here is $40. Salesperson. Thank you. Here is your change. $5. And your receipt. Customer. Thank you. Have a good day. Salesperson. You too. Dialogue 2. Buying shoes. Customer. Excuse me. How much are these shoes? Salesperson. They are $80. Customer. Do you have them in size 9? Salesperson. Let me check. Yes, we have size 9. Customer. Can I try them? Salesperson. Of course. Here you are. Customer tries them. Customer. They fit well. I will take them. Salesperson. Wonderful. Anything else? Customer. No, that is all. At the register. Salesperson. That will be $80. Customer. Can I pay with a card? Salesperson. Yes. Please insert your card. Customer. Done. Salesperson. Thank you. Here is your receipt. Customer. Thanks. Dialogue 3. Just looking. Salesperson. Hi. Can I help you find anything? Customer. No, thank you. I am just looking. Salesperson. Okay. Let me know if you need help. Customer. Thanks. Customer looks around. Customer. Excuse me. How much is this? Salesperson. It is $25. Customer. I need to think about it. Salesperson. No problem. Take your time. Customer. Thanks. I will come back later. Salesperson. Okay. Have a good day. A few more useful phrases for shopping situations. Polite phrases. Excuse me. To get attention. Thank you. After help or purchase. You are welcome. Response to thanks. Have a good day. Polite goodbye. Asking for help. Can you help me? Need assistance? Where can I find shirts? Looking for section. Do you work here? Confirming who to ask. Problems or questions. This is broken. Item has damage. This does not fit. Wrong size. Can I return this? Want to bring back. Do you have a receipt? Need proof of purchase. Can I exchange this? Want different item. Bargaining. In some stores or markets. Is this the best price? Asking for discount. Can you give me a discount? Requesting lower price. That is too expensive. Stating it costs too much. Note. Bargaining works in markets. Not usually in regular stores. Homework time. Task 1. Imagine you are in a clothing store. Write a complete shopping conversation. Include asking about price, size, color, trying it on, and paying. Use the dialogues from today as examples. Task 2. Practice these questions out loud 5 times each. How much is this? Do you have this in blue? Can I try this on? I will take it. Can I pay with a card? Task 3. In the comments, answer these questions. What did you buy recently? How much did it cost? Did you pay with cash or card? Example. I bought new phone last week. It cost $400. I paid with a card. Or, yesterday I bought a shirt. It was $25. I paid with cash. Share your recent shopping experience in English. In Lesson 32, we learn restaurant conversations, ordering food, asking about menu items, paying the bill. You will combine your food vocabulary from Lesson 16 with conversation skills. I would like the chicken, please. What will I recommend? Can I have the bill? But today you learn shopping conversations, how to ask prices, how to express what you want, how to ask about sizes and colors, how to pay for items. These conversations work in any store, clothing stores, electronics stores, supermarkets, markets, online shopping support chats. Practice these dialogues. When you go shopping, think in English. How much is this? I would like this one. I will take it. Can I pay with a card? Make it automatic. Shopping is one of the most common situations where you need English. Now you are ready. See you tomorrow. Meow.